What's up, YouTube world? Welcome back to my channel. This is Kassan's TV. Guys, today this is another window shopping video. So I am in the store here in Mandeville Hurt Fashion. So guys, you can come and check them out and see what you could get. Remember to compare prices, and hope you will enjoy this video. This is so pretty. I like this one here. The brown and the gold together. Works well. Excuse me. I love this is the red and the gold. I love these. Oh, the black and the gold. It's a pretty color also. It's a pretty color. Reeds for the doors, and the prices are like $995 and there's $750, $1,295. So the reeds there looking really good. $750 here. There's a Christmas tree here. This is pretty. Santa baby. The walls like a tile to me. It's a backdrop. So there's a wall sticker looking like tiles. This is all about that life. Books for decor. The table. This could be a great centerpiece for the coffee table. $3,795 right there, like sweet home, I love you, family. I really like this one here. I really want one that says family. I can't even see it so well. We can't say that's me. This can match the curtains around there, so the window, pillows and stuff like that. Cushions, chairs and stuff like that. Suitcases if you're planning on going away. Like these. Let's see, I have one of this already. Like this. price of this. Seems like we'd have to shop around, you know. So this thing, what, 1,200 now, it's like here, it's for $695. It's not as thick as the other one, but we have this one too. This is like for $450. I don't like this thing right here. I'm afraid of that.